if you're planning to go in college, as much money as possible, there's one thing that you need to be doing, and that is having a written plan on how you're going to pay for college. Sounds silly, but there are so many things and strategies that go into college funding that just take time and take energy and take planning. Like, for example, there's a lot of college funding accounts that just take time to compound and get the tax efficiencies from their tax strategy that can take years to actually see the benefits of. Even the college selection process takes, a lot of time and research to understand, what colleges offer, what scholarships, which ones are more efficient for college, and which ones are willing to negotiate, all these different things. As well as even just there's massive amounts of scholarships available to you. However, it takes time, research, and some of the times you may need to apply for multiple years before you actually get that scholarship. So all these things take time, take planning, and take effort. So the best thing you do is either do this yourself with your, parents and kids together, or work with a, college funding specialist, whatever the case may be, to have a written plan on how you're going to pay for college and how you're going to minimize your student loans.